In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Deepseek-R1 locally in just a few minutes. This process is straightforward and will set you up to use Deepseek-R1 right from your own computer. Let's dive in and get started. First, you'll want to open your favorite web browser and head over to the LM Studio website. This is where we'll begin our journey to get everything set up. Once you're on the homepage, the next thing you'll want to do is look for the download section. Depending on the operating system you're using, you'll select either the option to download for Windows, or if you're working on a Mac or Linux machine, you'll choose accordingly. This step is crucial because the right software version ensures compatibility with your system. Once you've clicked the download button that suits your operating system, the file will begin to download. After the download is complete, you'll want to locate the file in your downloads folder and go ahead and launch it. When you run the file, it'll initiate the installation process for LM Studio on your machine. Follow the installation prompts as they appear. They're usually straightforward and designed to guide you through with ease. With LM Studio now installed, go ahead and open the application. Inside LM Studio, navigate over to the Discover section. This part of the interface allows you to explore various models and applications that might be of interest. In the search bar, type in DeepSeek. This action will generate a list of models related to your search query. When selecting a model, it's important to choose one that your computer's GPU can efficiently handle. An underpowered computer might cause performance issues, while the right match will help everything run smoothly. So take a moment to confirm your GPU specifications and make an informed decision based on that information. After deciding on the best model for your system, simply click on Download. This will initiate the download for the DeepSeek model right onto your computer. The download speed will depend largely on your internet connection, so it could take a few moments. Once the download is complete, you're ready to start. You can begin prompting and experimenting with DeepSeek from your computer. Explore its features and functionality to see what it can do. Congratulations, you have successfully installed DeepSeek locally on your computer. With everything set up, you're now equipped to explore the capabilities of Deepseek-R1 right from the comfort of your local environment. Enjoy diving into the world of deep AI exploration.